Hello everyone, my name is Minh Thảo. I'm from class D4P. Today I will introduce you about natural disaster on our Earth. First, before coming a natural disaster, they are natural events. Natural events are constant process of change and its causes in nature and not directly causes by humans. Natural events has many types like rain, wind, and tides. And when they become dangerous and destructive, we will call them natural disaster. First is earthquake. An earthquake is when the ground suddenly shaking and because of movement inside the ground, the Earth's surface is made of large. The Earth's surface is made of large pieces called tectonics. Tectonic plates. Sometimes the plates move and push against each other. When they suddenly slip or break, they release energy, which make the ground shake. That's why we call the earthquake. So, an earthquake causes a lot of damage to people and property. When we will use the Richter scale to measure the earthquake strength. Oh my god. The third is the second is volcanic eruption. So a volcanic eruption happens when fissures are formed in the earth crust and then magma comes out. What is the magma? Is the hard metal rock inside the earth and comes out through a volcano. When it leaves the earth's surface, we could call it lava. When pressure builds up inside the volcano, it also explodes, sending ash and gas, which are really harmful to human health. Third is tsunami. A tsunami is where a big wave usually caused by an underwater earthquake or volcanic eruption at the bottom of the sea. This wave can destroy everything in their path. When they reach dry land, it can travel hundreds of miles, affecting countries far away from its starting point. However, we have international alert system to warn us about dangerous area, and this system have helped excavate an areas that will be affected by the tsunami to avoiding damage. Fourth, in tornado. A tornado is tube shape of much moving air that rotates at the high speed. It usually has a wider end at the top and the narrower end at the bottom. So tornado do not usually last long. It's just between more than a few minutes and end up in more than an hour. They usually travel several miles before disappearing and destroy everything in their path. Tornado can reach speed up to 300 miles per hour, and their average diameter is about 250 feet or larger. Fifth is wildfire. A wildfire is a large fire that spreads out of control and produces in natural environments such as forests or grasslands. It causes a huge losses in the flora and fauna of the environment. They can start from a cause like lighting, human activities, or even a small spark. Real fires spread very quickly, and they can destroy the habitats for planet, and they can destroy habitats for plants and animals, and they can be dangerous to people if not controlled. The sixth is flood. Flood happen when there is too much water in river, lakes, or in the ocean, causing the water to overflow onto land. There are studies that claim that climate change responsible for the increasing in flooding in certain locations. So finally, as you see, natural disaster can be dangerous and cause lots of damage. That's why we must try harder to protect the environment. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.